Hi friends, today I am trying to explain you about that Python. Python is most familiar programming language. Nowadays all of the companies is asking about that Python. So what is the advantages of Python? It is in Python we have libraries. That libraries is most helpful to us to do the code very easily. So no need to write down everything in there. So some libraries have some functions. With that functions we can easily do. In machine learning also, in data science also we are using Python. So Python is most familiar language. I will explain you clearly how to do the program. Please go through that program one by one. One by one videos. Please go through that one. I will explain you everything. So no need to get worried about that programming for the beginners. So it is very easy thing to learn program. So first I will start with how to write down the program. We will get first output in this by using here. So I'll explain you what is what everything. First of all, if I am trying to explain you what is input and what is output. For example, first we are giving two numbers to the system 1, 2. I am asking that system please add these two numbers. So 1, 2 as input and the system will give 3 as answer. So 3 is the output. 3 is the output. So how to give input to the system, how it will understand and how it will print the output. These functions I will explain you now. So first print. Print is one of the function which is helpful to us to give the output. For example, I am trying to give output as hello world. Hello world is the first program. I am trying to explain you how to get the output. For example, first I am trying to compile this one. See, in console you can see the hello world. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, this is the hello world. See, hello world is the answer. When we return hello world, we get the output as hello world. So within the double quotes, what we are planning to give the data that is coming as output. For example, instead of hello world, I will give it as hi. This is Hima. This is Hima as a output I need. So first print we need to write down and we can open the brackets and within the double quotes what we have given, that is the output. Next run this one. See the output. Hi, this is Hima. So what is output is what we need to get as the output, that is we are giving in print. For example, I did a mistake here. Instead of print, print I given. See what is the output we will get. See here, first program hello world is coming and second program error. Print is not defined. Did you mean print? Yes, I mean it. So we have to give print. Without spelling mistake, we have to give print. Instead of here in double quotes, if I did a mistake, instead of Hima, him I given. See what is the output we are getting? Is there any error will come? No, nothing. Only him it will come. Him, this is him. Hi, this is him. So when we are giving in double quotes, what's the data, whatever it may be, it will come like that only. There is no error. Only some keywords we need to give proper way. Print. means you need to print. We are asking the system, you should print something. So without spelling mistakes, these keywords we should give properly whatever it is. So now we got the output. For example, we are planning to give some input to the system. For example, I am trying to give some input to the system. Input. What it is? Hi, what is your name? I will explain you what is the difference between input and output. Okay. So input, print, run this program. Input is a keyword. We should give input, and open brackets, close brackets is required. After that, within the double quotes, whatever it may be, we can give. Like that only it will come. So within the double quotes, if you did mistake, spelling mistakes, also no problem. Then it will come at whatever what it is. Like that only it will come. So see the output. Hi, what is your name? It will take the input. Bindu. I given as Bindu. So it taking the input. In the previous program, is it taking any input? No. Only it print hello world, hello or something, hello world. See, what is your name? It's asking, because first program I given input, so it's taking input. Second program only print. It will print whatever it is. We have what it is mentioned in the double quotes. Here also we are using double quotes, but we mentioned this is input. You take input. What? Hi, what is your name? So in the next program, I am trying to take input. Till now we are giving the input, but in the next program I am trying to get the input from the system. For example, that is very simple. I take a variable a, or otherwise a name, whatever it is, name. Okay, name. So I am telling to the system, what is your name? Okay, I given Bindu in that console. No, that Bindu it will take it as it will store into the name variable. So when we print hello, comma, that name, NAME, without spelling mistake we have to write. Why? Because here name, whatever it is, we should write down like this only, without spelling mistakes, because that in name the variable store the data. What data? What is your name? It is asking, and we are giving Bindu. That Bindu is storing in this name. So we should give like that only. We give an input as hi, what is your name, and output we are requesting hello, and print it is hello, name as output. Name variable store the data. So when we are running this, see the output. Hi, what is your name? I given Bindu, and click enter. Hello Bindu, like this. So how to give the input and how to give the output we learned in this. So thank you friends. In the next coming video, I am explaining you about the conditional statements. After these conditional statements, I will explain you. It's very helpful and very easy to learn. So before that, we need to practice this one, how to give input and how to get output. Thank you. Please like the video. Thank you.